What's up, Selfie Stick Adventurers? Welcome to episode 8 of the Selfie Stick Adventures, aka 48 Days in Thailand. On today's episode, it's all about the best hostel to set up camp while you're staying in Ao Nong, Thailand. I present to you the Babaji Hostel, surrounded by beautiful scenery. It's just a majestic 10-minute walk to the beach. And the owner, Bandit, has done everything to make this place feel like home.
Hey, I give you my left kidney if you need.
Heck yes. Bandit is open to suggestions, though, to always improve for adventurers like you and I. Now let's get to the goods. The beds. They are amazing. It is so hard to find good bed at a hostel in Thailand, and Babaji has that covered. Relaxation to the max. They got AC in here, and also, if it's a little too chilly, they got a nice big comforter for you. See? It's a thick one. It feels like home. I mean, just check out the place. Everybody here is allowed to just put their stuff down as they wish, and it's fully safe. You are well taken care of here at Babaji Hostel. See? Even this guy agrees. And at only 350 baht a night, Bandit here gives you his personal guarantee that you'll always get the lowest price for the best value at Babaji Hostel.
Hey, this is my guarantee.
Awesome. I mean, I'm all about relaxation and everything, but sometimes I do like to party. And guess what? If you'd like to party, just go across the street. There's a party hostel right there. Then just come back to Babaji, ready to hit the sack. It's a fine balance for an old fart like me. And if you're on a super tight budget, there is a cheaper hostel about 8 kilometers away. But spoiler alert, it's gonna cost you 100 baht there and back to the beach. So you're better off just spending your money here at Babaji Hostel. So, with the amazing beds, and always clean toilets, and beautiful setting, Babaji Hostel will surely feel like home. You can even get your laundry done here. And at a very affordable price. So, when you arrive at Babaji Hostel, make sure you say Selfie Stick Adventure sent you. And you get yourself a free welcome drink. Tastes like freedom. Before we go, it is now nighttime, and this is Carolyn.
Hello.
Hey, Carolyn. So, what do you think of Babaji Hostel?
I think it's great. It's really clean. The owner is really friendly. He's let us use a knife and a bowl to make a salad for dinner, so I definitely recommend it to anyone. It's nice and quiet over here, and really loud over there if you want to go get some drinks.
And socialize.
And socialize and mingle and make friends while you're traveling.
Alright, thanks for watching this episode of the Selfie Stick Adventures, aka 48 Days in Thailand. Till next time, hit like, share, and subscribe. And book yourself a comfy stay at the Babaji Hostel when you come to Ao Nong.